Hey guys, welcome to day 96. We're making a cold cucumber soup. This is so easy. Anybody can do this recipe, and it's so clean, it's raw, and it's healthy, and it's amazing for the summer, and it's just so delicious. And obviously, you know, cucumbers are so good for you, and they have so much water in them, and they're hydrating. So let's do it, okay? In my Vitamix, I have 4 cucumbers. They're English cucumbers that I peeled, seeded, and cut into small pieces, okay? So that's that. To that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of filtered water. If you want to, you could add a cup of almond milk, or you could add yogurt, but I'm not like a dairy girl, so I'm gonna leave that out. Okay, I'm also gonna add 3 or 4 garlic cloves that I smashed. I'm gonna add 2 scallions that I cut up. I'm gonna add a nice pinch of salt. And then we're gonna add the juice of 1½ limes. I made this the other night for our friends Dee Dee and David, and they loved it, and Parker loved it. I had never made it for Parker before, and I said, you know what, let's do it for quarantine cuisine. It's like perfect for summer, and it's so easy. So there you go. Okay, and then the last ingredient, one of the last ingredients we're gonna add is an Asian pear, and I peeled it, and we're just gonna cut it up into small chunks. You can add a green apple, would be really nice. You can add a regular pear. If you don't like pears, leave it out, okay? But this is gonna add a nice little like sweetness. Okay, so we have our Asian pear. Let's add that. And then we're gonna add about 8 to 10 basil leaves, okay? So just throw that in the top. This is gonna add a really nice color and a beautiful freshness. Really simple. If you don't like basil, you can leave it out. You can add cilantro if you like cilantro. You could add chives, whatever you like. If you don't like herbs, then don't add any, okay guys? This is your soup. Okay, so we're gonna turn this on. I always like to start a little bit slow. Get the top on, turn the power on. So I always have my dial down to 1 when I turn it on so it doesn't blast. And then we can build up. That's it. Right? So easy. And so ideally, you know, you can make this the day before because it's really nice to have it very chilled. So, and I don't over mix it too much. I just make sure everything's blended because you don't want it to get too frothy. I'm gonna just taste it. Tastes great. I'm gonna add just a touch more salt. Really fresh and delicious. Now we're gonna let this chill, but I'll show you now how we're gonna garnish it. I have some chilled glasses in the fridge, and you can strain it if you want, or you can just leave it as is. It's really not such a big deal. So look at how beautiful that looks in a nice martini glass. And then for garnish, I have a little bit of chopped cucumber, a little bit of sliced scallions, some chopped tomatoes. You could put chopped onions, and then I have a couple slices of almonds. And that's it.
So pretty.
Okay. So that's it, guys. It's so good. We're gonna taste it on Behind the Recipe. Okay. So we'll see you there. Thanks for watching. And you know what? You can do this. I mean, come on. You can do this. It's so easy. Okay. We'll see you soon.